Okay, in this little video, I'm going to record a little bit more about how you would set up your sites and actually show an example of another group's site that they did, their project. So here's the home page, and then you come down to the links. And on there, I've added the projects, previous projects. And I'm going to use this iPhone cover as an example. So I click there, and then I come down here, and I say, well, oh, there it is, right there. So this is the site that was set up by a group from last semester. And you'll see that what they've done is they put a few pictures on here of their thing. And they've got these pages, mission statement, it's got all those things in there. Customer needs list, okay. Here's the customer statement, and here's how they interpret it. So it's the what, not how. They did a competitive analysis. They inserted some other products and ways that you can stick an iPhone up. Came up with metrics and measurements and how do they measure it. They came up with product specifications with a list of metrics. They came up with some sketches. Maybe I should go back to that. You can look through this, but these are methodologies that are used, that are spelled out in different sections of the book as you go through. They threw in some sketches. I'm not sure. They probably used a cell phone to take some pictures and somehow pasted these in there. I'm not sure how. But they came up with these different concepts that they put in there. And then they did some concept screening. Okay, and they used a method of the pluses and the minuses, the concept scoring, and so they did a weighted measurement. They said this is how much it weights, and this is the rating, and this is what it all adds up to. So they came up with that. Then we did the sketches, concept test report. Okay, they did this with by use of a survey. They created a survey, so they've posted the survey right in there with their questions, and then these are the survey results. Okay? So you can see that when people answered, it was time stamped and this and this and what their criteria was. This is just a spreadsheet that comes from the form that was created. They did a sales forecast. In the sales forecast, they created a spreadsheet, put it in there. It was a Google spreadsheet. They pasted that in there. Here's an economic analysis. Here's some expenses. And this is their sales forecast portion. They did a bill of materials. So this is the part name, and these are the costs. So they came up with a bill of materials. They did a manufacturing plan. They found some equipment, and they said, how are they going to do it? Basically, they're going to do some subcontracting, but they're going to buy this tape to do it. They had a project plan with a task list. Okay, there's the tasks. This is how they're going to staff it. So these are their team members. This is their schedule. So they came up with a way of inserting a schedule to say they're going to start here, stop there, how much time it's going to take, and this is a Gantt chart. They came up with a budget plan. It's like they've inserted a spreadsheet, a Google spreadsheet. They've inserted a risk plan, very similar to what's talked about in the books. This is for their product, right? Cut out of the book. They came up with a performance measurement plan. So performance is really, did they stick to the schedule? They didn't quite finish that up. Incentives. They came up with an incentive plan, part of the contract book. And about, what is this? Oh, okay, so they just put, what the heck is this all about? Alright, so anyway, that's it.